ಹತ್ತನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏಜು ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ SSLC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ದ ಮಾದರಿ ಉತ್ತರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, just I will show you. I am going little bit fast. Read the given conversation and choose the correct infinitive. ಒನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಡ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಗೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿವ್ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮೀ ಸಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಇದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿ must keep our country clean and tidy. Read the conversation and fill in the blank with correct if clause choosing the given alternative. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, if you had called me, I ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? I would have joined you. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? would have. Second, do as directed. Combine the word in column A with its collocative word in ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕೊಲಕೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಂಗ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂತದೆ ಕೊಲಕೇಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್. 6, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 2 syllables? ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಹೋಮೋಫೋನ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ is having 2 syllables. ಸಿಲೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್. ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಐಸ್. ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಐಸ್, gazelle. Fill in the blank with most appropriate homophones given in the bracket. My grandmother knew many. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ TALES ಅಂದರೆ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕತೆಗಳು, ದಂತಕಥೆಗಳು ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಟೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ TALES. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್. ಅಭಿನವ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಗೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಹಿ. Read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into passive voice. Hello Prakash, where are you friends? Hi Sumna, they are playing kabaddi. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಈಸ್ played by them. They are playing kabaddi. ಇದು ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಈಸ್ being played by them. Frame a question to get the underlined words as answer. The religion teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. What does the religion teach? Frame a question. What does the religion teach ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Combine the following sentence using to. The bag is heavy. I cannot lift it. The bag is too heavy for me to lift it. Write the correct form of the verb given in the bracket and fill in the blank. Daily Lakshmi B plus go in a car to reach her office in time. Daily Lakshmi is going ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಾರ್ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ರಮೇಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಟು ಬೆಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀವರ್. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್. ಅನಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verb. The guest gave the prizes to the winners. The guest gave away the prizes to the winners. The following paragraph has two errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite it in the answer booklet. Clues are given. When Aryabhatta, the first India built satellite, was launched in April 1975, India entered space. Says article to be corrected, verb from to be corrected. The built article to be corrected. The verb form to be corrected. Built. First India built satellite. Then answer the following question, 2 to 3 sentences each. What values can you learn from the lesson? There is a girl by the tracks. Values ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಂತನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Dear students, those who are appearing for 2021 exam, look at your reduced syllabus and then concentrate on the answers given here. How did Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar try to wipe out caste differences? Here they have given answers in points. How can you say that Satish Gujral became popular with the able support of his father? Who will be hunted by the financial institution and pharmaceutical industries? 5. What was the special gift possessed by the jazz player? How did he change his feelings? What can we learn from the lesson Narayanpur incident? Or with zeal and determination we can achieve anything. How do you relate this with the life of Dicky Dolma? Here see the answer. What did Hanif and his brothers learn from the absence of their mother from home? Was a challenge of his first monster. Why did Wang Jia refuse to obey him? See the answer here. Next, fifth, answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. Why do you think the response of the artist was unusual? See the answer here. How do you view the technological development and physical beauty of India as described in the poem The Song of India? Read the given following extracts and answer the question that follow. As the night advanced and the silence deepened, his heart beat faster. Who does he refer to? Swami. Where was he? He was in his father's office room. Why did his heart beat faster? He remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts and was scared. Why should one man have the leaves of 50 in his hands? Who is the speaker? Diego. Who does the one man stand for? Columbus. What does the speaker mean? Diego and other crew wished to return home, but Columbus had refused the demand, so they had become desperate. He signed the deed and took the money, but refused to take more than the amount agreed upon. Who does he refer to? Don Anselmo. How does money he take? Why does he refuse to take movement? See the answers here. There won't be any calendar, there won't be any clock. See the questions and answers. Given below is a profile, write a paragraph using the same. You have to write a paragraph using the profile. It carries 3 marks. Develop the story using the clues given below. It also carries 3 marks. Study the picture given below. Write a description of what the picture suggests to you in paragraph. Quote from memory. Quote from memory, it carries 4 marks. Answers they have given. Read the following passage and answer the following questions that follow. Usually they will give one paragraph and answers questions. It is just a model. You may give They may give different paragraph for you people. Answer the following question in about 8 to 10 sentences. Why do you think that Ruskin Bond's grandmother was a grown-up woman with childish habits and desires? Substantiate. It carries 4 marks. You have to write in 8 to 10 sentences. Here they have given choice also. You look at these choices. Answer they have given point wise. Look at the answers. Write an essay on any one of the following. Co-curricular activities in school, air pollution, greener the world, happier the life. You have to prepare some model essays. Write a letter using the information given below. Imagine you are Sonu. Sonal is studying in government high school, Bhadravati. Write a letter to a friend inviting him to spend summer holidays with you. It carries 5 marks. Or write a letter to the chairperson KPTCL Bangalore to attend your school day celebration as a chief guest. Format and matter and language. Format carries 2 marks, matter and language carries 3 marks. Here we completed the second language English question paper, September 2020 exam. Now we will meet again with another question paper or any subject. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and watch our channel regularly. Thank you for watching.